So I'm in love with this portable air pump, and it is powered by a cord that plugs into your car through the cigarette lighter. And I'm going to fill my tire with some air. And the only way you could set your PSI is with this minus and plus button. So all you have to do is press it once, and then you can see I have it set to 32 PSI. And I'm just going to plug this end into the tire. So let me do that real quick. Removing the cap, and then I'm gonna plug it. It's so easy to do. You can just do it one-handed and plug it in like that. Lock it like so, and as you can see, it's currently at 25.5. So I'm just going to hit this on button here on the right side, and it's going to be pretty loud, so I'm just going to play a couple seconds of it. But you just have to keep it on, and it'll automatically go up to whatever you set it as. For me, I set it for 32, so it's going to keep going until it's at 32, and it's going to stop automatically. So here we go. Just like that, like I said, it stops automatically, and this is by far needed by everyone. This saves me from going to the gas station just to use the air pump, and like I said, it stops by itself. All I had to do is just to take this off and put the cap back on my tire, and we are done. So definitely pick this up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.